Period.
45 well, baby.
Period.
Apple.
Damn.
Where the zaddies at? Where they at? Where they at? Hey, where they at? Where they at? Hey. My baby about to beat my face. Period. Pooh, no pad.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a client tutorial on my mother, and first we're going to start off with some micellar water and we're going to clean the face off. Next we're going to do these brows, honey. I used the Colourpop pencil. I forgot what color it is, so I'm put that in the description box below. But all you see me doing right now is filling it in and doing light strokes toward the front so it don't look like that boxy effect, okay? Next, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I think it's in deep chestnut or something like that. Girl, I don't know. But we going to carve out those brows, honey, so they could be on fleek, daddy. Period.
I should have known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain, on the...
All right, next we're taking that same concealer and we're just going to prime the lid for time for the foundation. Time about for the foundation. For the eyeshadow. And we're using the Juvias Place, the Nomad palettes. It's like a little soft glam look or whatever. We're going to take that dark brown shade and we're going to put that all into the crease so she can be popping. Okay? Okay. And then now I'm just going to take some concealer on my brush, make it like a little fake little cut crease or whatever. And then we're going to take a white shade and a shimmer and put that on top. And next we're going to take the brow gel by Revlon, I think. No, by Rimmel London. And then we're going to take the e.l.f. poreless puddy and we're going to use that as a primer on her face. And then we're going to take these foundations by Maybelline Fit Me. And that's going to be her foundations. And right now we are contouring. All of the products going to be in the description box below. Okay? Okay.
Time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. The shit like it don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I know when no one else around. You make me want to go.
You gon' fall in love. Put it down, 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 down. You gon' fall in love. Put it down, 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 down.
So right here we're gonna take the BH Cosmetics lip palette and we're gonna use a dark shade to make us her lip liner. And then we're gonna take LingLeahKosmetics, my brand, lipstick and pretty lip gloss and pretty junk. We're gonna put that all over her lips so she could be smacking, and the lashes are also for me. And this right here is the finishing look, baby. Period. She's fine, no cap. Get into this feet, okay? Oh, cut up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.